Today I'll show you how to make soft, layered, golden chapatis that stay tender even the next day. Let's cook. I'll list the ingredients in the description. In a bowl, add some flour, salt, sugar, and oil. Mix well, then slowly add warm water. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until soft and elastic. Cover and let rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Resting the dough is the secret to soft chapatis. Let's create the layers. Divide the dough into equal balls. Roll one ball into a thin circle. Lightly brush oil over it. Sprinkle some flour. Hold into a square or roll into a spiral. Let them rest for 5 minutes. Now, roll each folded piece into a round chapati. Heat a pan until hot. Place a chapati on the pan. When bubbles form, flip. Lightly brush oil, flip again. Press gently. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Mwecheche nakwambia. how you make it. Soft, layered chapati, perfect for stew, beans, tea. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out. Ooh-wee. When they say the only way to a man's heart is through the stomach, hey, they didn't lie. Oh. And guys, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.